With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is the total volume of dry gaseous product at STP when 3 moles of electrons are transferred from anode to cathode in the electrolysis of water is 67.2, 50.4 liters, C 44.8 liters and 56.0 liters. So let's discuss. So in the question, electrolysis of water is being done. So it means at the cathode, hydrogen will be produced, and at anode, oxygen will be produced. So in the question it is written 3 moles of electrons. So when 1 mole of electron is considered, when 1 mole of electron is seen, 1 Faraday of electricity is produced. So for 3 moles, 3 Faradays of electricity will be used. So now we will be writing the reactions of electrolysis of water at anode and cathode. So the reaction at anode will be 2H2O will give us O2 plus 4H positive plus 4 electrons. And the reaction at anode will be, cathode will be 2H2O plus 2 electrons will give H2 plus 2OH minus. So these are the reactions at anode and cathode. So now we can see that for the production of 1 mole of oxygen, 4 electrons are needed. So it means 4 Faradays of electricity will be consumed for production of 1 mole of oxygen. So for oxygen we are seeing. So 4 Faradays of electricity will be used to prepare 1 mole of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen at STP is 22.4 liters of O2 will be produced. So with 1 Faraday, 22.4 by 4 liters of oxygen will be produced. So in the question it was given for 3 moles or 3 Faradays. So it will be 22.4 by 4 into 3 liters of oxygen. So the answer to this will be 16.8 liters of oxygen. Now we will be calculating for hydrogen. So for the production of hydrogen, 2 electrons is needed, means 2 Faradays of electricity. So 2 Faradays of electricity will be required for production of 1 mole of hydrogen. So it means 22.4 liters of hydrogen. So 1 Faraday will be used for production of 22.4 by 2 liters of hydrogen. So with 3 Faradays of electricity, 22.4 by 2 into 3 liters of hydrogen will be produced. So the answer to this is 33.6 liters of hydrogen. So in the question it was written total volume. So the total volume will be equal to the volume of oxygen produced as well as the volume of hydrogen produced. So it will be 16.8 liter plus 33.6 liters. So the total volume will be 50.4 liters. So let's check which of the option is correct here. Answer is 50.4 liters. So we have the option here is 50.4 liters. So this is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.